All right, we're gonna put together the Vego Garden self-watering rolling planter right now in this video. Christmas is around the corner. This is a great gift idea for Christmas, birthdays, just because. So sit back, relax, grab your coffee. Let's put this thing together. I got my work cut out for me. What do you think? All right, now why did I want this? This is going to be a great addition to the garden. It's gonna have wheels on it so I can roll it around. I'm gonna plant a fruit tree in this, and it's gonna be where this fruit tree stays pretty much for a very, very, very long time. This is a big container of a planter. Yeah, it's a 2 foot by 2 foot container, so it'll give that fruit tree plenty of room to grow in, and it's a self-watering, which I'll show you what that means as we put it together. The cool thing is it comes with a little tool here to use to crank them all down, so makes it a lot easier, y'all. Can't beat that. Let's get this thing put together, right? This is the tool for right here. I advise getting a drill. Tighten it in, done, move on. So I got the top two done around. Now we're gonna move on to the frame. Now that the frame is completely done, we are going to sit this on the frame. Now at this part right here, we are going to line up the bottom hole with the hole that's part of the frame and then put a screw in connecting this to the base. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and make this nice and safe. Now what's good is they always give you extra, so we'll cut this off right at the end. Next thing to install is this. Now you need to make sure you're paying attention to this overflow drain. You want it facing outboard, which I'm going to put it in. I have it right there so the water can drain away. We're going to put in this part right here. Put this away from where that overflow is. And there we go, look at that. Nice, fits perfect. At this point we're going to go ahead and fill in the rest of the screw holes, so we'll be right back. Okay, now that everything is down in there, what we want to do is take this part, put it in right here, and you're going to want to move this down to where it's even with the base. This takes a little elbow grease, not gonna lie. All right, just like that. This ball, as the water fills the bottom, this will rise, pushing this up. So you got to have this right level at the bottom. Now let's get some soil put in here. All right, y'all, that's the tree I'm going to plant. It's a mandarin orange tree. Now I did sprinkle in some transplant mix to help ease the transplant shock between putting the tree from its pot now into here. But I'm going to go ahead and get this thing somewhat planted, and then I'm going to put another round of soil on top. Here we go. All right, done. So now we're going to move it right over there. Okay, and you saw just how easy it was to wheel this over to wherever you want it. Very, very simple, and don't forget the locking mechanism where you can get to it. That's it, y'all, except for the most important part. watering, right? Now to water it, you water it like you would anything else. Main thing is that you're watching this right here. As it raises, that's where you want it, at max. As the water evaporates, it will slowly go down, at which point you just refill it. This whole process from when I unboxed it to right here is taking about 45 minutes. Now that's not very bad, especially when this box came with 2 of these planters. So, y'all, you can't go wrong with this product, this brand, anything. All the links to everything are going to be down below. Go check it out, and if you're looking for a great gift for that gardener in your family, consider a Vego rolling planter or the Vego retractable hose system. Either one. Great options. As I'm watering this in, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, do me the 4 favors: share, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. Everyone take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye.